happens if you get a bit close to this goose or swan, bird, whatever this is. Hey! Awesome. Right there in front of us. Bunch of holes here. See what he wants. He's running. He's running. He's running.
What?
He's walking away. He's just walking.
I touched it.
And it flew off.
Mom, it's flying.
It's flying off into the distance. Still over there. Landed on a fence. Still black speck right there near the house. That's that. Yeah, that's the bird over there. All right, Ethan, come on, come back.